To stake your cryptocurrency in your Tangem wallet, follow these steps. Set up Tangem wallet. Download and install the Tangem app from the App Store or Google Play. Set up your Tangem card and back up your recovery phrase securely. Choose a supported cryptocurrency. Currently, Tangem wallet supports staking for certain cryptocurrencies, such as Tezos and Cosmos. Ensure the crypto you want to stake is supported by Tangem. Deposit cryptocurrency into Tangem wallet. To stake, ensure the cryptocurrency is already in your Tangem wallet. You can transfer funds from exchanges like Kraken, Coinbase or others to your Tangem wallet by copying your wallet address from the app and using the receive option. Find staking option. Open the Tangem app and navigate to the staking section. Select the supported cryptocurrency you want to stake. Start staking. Choose the amount of cryptocurrency you wish to stake. Confirm your staking choice. You may need to select a validator if required. Follow the prompts to finalize staking. Monitor staking. Once staked, you can monitor your staking rewards in the app. Tangem allows you to see the staked amount and accrued rewards.